Septic system problems can often be fixed without going through the whole headache of a full replacement, so you don't always have to freak out and think the worst. Okay, so here's the deal. If your septic system is acting up, like slow drainage or weird smells, first step is to get it inspected by a pro to figure out the real issue. You gotta keep up with regular pumping every 3 to 5 years, depending on your tank size and usage, to avoid sludge buildup that messes things up. If you notice soggy spots in your yard or backups inside the house, don't wait to call a professional as soon as possible because those are signs something's off. Sometimes, small parts like pipes or the drain field can be repaired or replaced individually, which saves you a ton compared to doing the whole system. Also, avoid flushing anything besides toilet paper and human waste, because chemicals and wipes can mess with your bacteria balance and clog stuff up. Make sure heavy machinery doesn't drive over the drain field, since that can crush pipes underground. If you catch problems early, repairs like fixing leaks or cleaning the drain field can keep things working great for years. Remember, septic systems are like your home's underground workhorses. They need some love to keep running smoothly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is ignoring early warning signs like slow drains or odors, which leads to more expensive damage down the road. Fix this by scheduling inspections at the first sign of trouble. Another common issue is skipping regular pumping, which causes sludge buildup and clogs the system. Setting a reminder for routine pumping based on tank size and household use prevents this. Lastly, flushing harmful chemicals or non-flushable items wrecks the natural bacteria that break down waste and clogs pipes. Stick to flushing just toilet paper and human waste to keep everything flowing right. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid tool for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for quality work, making home improvement easier for everyone involved.